say hello, how is everyone? And the best award goes to
the best comedy influencer of the year. And the award goes to
Tali Vian. Mary Hat Comedy. Maulana and Rain. Tenge Tenge. MC Stubborn. Dr. Solomon Chimera. Sammy and Shower. Namioba Comedy. And Madrat and Chico.
This sounds very amazing. The best content creator, the award goes to Tali Vian. Anyone's for them?
yeah. Hello guys. I'm just nervous. Anyways, I'm going to first give this chance to my big sister before me. Again, I talk about where I can back a lunch.
Hi guys, thank you for loving my little brother. Because of you guys, we are here today. My name is Jojo Carlson, I'm a singer, and we thank you so much for this.
Anyways, guys, I have to bend a little bit. So, I'm called Talivian, but my real names are Serubili Vianney. You understand? Edelinya Talivian, first of all, I had to consider being tall, then I added Y, because naturally I'm creative, so I had to use that. But I really appreciate my people all over the world, Kampala people, Hoima people, my friends, I don't know, whoever is around here, thank you for this gift. I'm going to give you more of the content. You can be preparing that money because so soon you end up basesa. But I really appreciate for this beautiful gift. I really appreciate it. Thank you. I'm just happy. I can't express my happiness from here, but I'm happy.